Hello friends, welcome to another video, another episode of Analyzing the Markets with Jay Flores. Today we had a great class and super easy Forex with system simplicity. PJ, I think it was his name, was sharing his strategy and the way he's been using simplicity very successfully. I think his record for this week, on a very tough week, out of 10 trades, he was profitable in 9 of them. So I don't know if some of you guys missed that. I want to show you guys pretty much the strategy that he is using. It's very similar to the strategy that I've been teaching for for a month and a half with simplicity, but he uses different time frames, and I really liked his idea. So let's pretty much show that strategy pretty much persists of going with the trend, but what he does to analyze the markets, and I kind of want to analyze it in video together so you can see the process, and we can probably forecast a trade if we can find one. We're in the middle of the week right now. Right now, July 28th. I know there's a lot of news, but we can probably try it, with the very small, super small lot. If we lose, we don't lose pretty much nothing. With the 0.01. So let's do that real quick. This is the process. Let's see. Make it a little bigger. So he starts on an H1, pretty much 1 hour, and then he starts pretty much looking for something like this: triple arrows on the 1 hour in the sell zone or in the buy zone. But it's got to be touching it or barely coming out of it. Okay, on the 1 hour. That will be the first step. So, for example, right now, you're odd. We have triple arrows coming down right here. Now, if I go to lower time, like 30 minutes, it's in the sell zone, definitely. So, but I think he only uses the 1 hour, and then he just checks, 30 minutes and 15 minutes. And normally it's going to be very close to the sell zones, and those three kind of work together. It happens in the 15-minute first, then 30 minutes, and the 1 hour. Second step is we want to go with the bigger trend. Okay, we don't want to go against the trend. So if we're going to take this trade, for example, we need to check the daily. And let me mark here where we have that hour, and we can mark it. Let me change that color. Maybe let's try a blue, see how it looks. I guess it looks okay. So I'm gonna make kind of big because we're gonna go to a daily, and we need to find that block. Okay, so we know that's where we have our triple arrows in the 1 hour. So now we go to our daily, and as you can see, we have a triple arrows right there. Very, very small, you can barely see it. Make it a little bigger. There's the block right there in the 1 hour, and we know they have a triple arrows right there, and we are going with the trend. Okay, now the only thing here, it's okay, you are in the buy zone on the daily. Okay, but you still going with the trend. So in cases like this, it doesn't matter where the triple arrows are in the daily, because any small move in the daily, it's a giant move in the hour. Okay, so another confirmation that we might have is we have the 50 right here. It's hitting the 50. Another thing that I see also that can go in our favor is, look at that right there. I don't know if you can see that resistance area, which is very, very strong. This is the daily. So these are daily resistance. zones. Okay, so it is very possible that we can have a trade to the bottom. So let's go back to the 1 hour. Okay, let me open this up, and we're gonna take this trade together. Okay, and right now it's a good, I mean, we can go into trade right now. I'm gonna take this trade with a very small, with the 0.01. That means that I'm gonna take that trade with 10 cents per pip, and I'm gonna sell it right there. I'm gonna put my stop loss above the sell zone. And another tip that PJ was sharing with us is he only goes from here pretty much to that area right there, which we're going for, what is that, 171 pips. That's a long run, right? Okay, so we're testing, we're trying this strategy together, and let's see if we can find another one. I don't want to make this video too long, right? But let's go real quick to EURJPY in 1 hour. We're looking for triple arrows real quick. We have that one. That one I like it too, but I know this one in the daily we're going up in an uptrend. So I know it's very extended. It can come down real easy because we have double tops right there. Look at that, double tops. So it's a counter trade, but it's more risky. Okay, so if you're a more experienced trade, I mean, you can probably take this. You know your risk. You gotta know your risk pretty much. Okay, so let's go back to the 1 hour. We got those triple arrows. I like this to come down like this. I like this pattern a lot. When you have that M and the triple arrow right in the center, and normally it's like a rubber band that it's pulling it down. We'll see if it works. I mean, I'm not gonna take that trade, but I'm gonna be monitoring just for experience also. GBP USD. Okay, we don't have triple arrows. NCD USD. We have triple arrows on the NCD USD. Let's see what we got. But this is an uptrend. I'm not gonna go against the daily if you're going real strictly with this strategy. USDCAD. Nothing. CAD JPY. On this one, I am taking it, okay, because I'm kind of preventing that, or kind of, what I'm trying to say is, I almost sure that triple arrows are gonna show up in this area. Okay, so I kind of going in a little bit. I'm going with a very small lot also, and this one on the daily, I'm going in an uptrend. So at least I have the triple arrows in the daily. Another reason I took this trade is because you can see this support right here. This is a daily support. Okay, it doesn't mean nothing. It can break real easy. The market does whatever it wants to do. I mean, you can even go lower right here and take my trade, no problem. But we're ready for it, you know. Well, so if you see triple arrows, let's say tomorrow or Friday or something like that, or Thursday, I'll definitely go up with this one because we're gonna go with the trend. Okay, so let's CAD JPY. EURJPY, that's the one we took together. Euro NCD, no triple arrows. NCD JPY, no triple arrows in the 1 hour. No triple arrows yet. We're waiting for triple arrows on those too. USD JPY and USD Mexican Peso, we're waiting for triple arrows. GBP USD, this one I have different reason why I took it, but I'm still in this trade right now. So, but this is for a different reason. But I'm waiting for triple arrows on this one too, to go to the bottom, because on the daily we're coming down, but it's very extended already, and it's in the buy zone, so it's kind of risky. So we'll see how that one goes too. Out NCD. Okay, we got triple arrows, but we got a big pullback, so that's not exactly what we're looking for. We don't have triple arrows there. We got triple arrows here, and that one just came out. I mean, just recently, just right now. So let's look at our trend in the daily. We're going in an uptrend, so but we're in a selling zone, but this is daily, okay? So that could be a possible good trade also. I'm not gonna take this one because I already have 3 trades on the line. So, but we're gonna put this one. We're gonna simulate like we took this trade pretty much. That'll be the odd CHF. Let's see how it goes. I don't have a way to mark the line. I'm not sure if the lines are going to stay here, but we're waiting for this to go to that. Hopefully it stays there so we can check it out on maybe we gotta let this, remember, let this trades run sometimes for a few days. Okay, this can still go up, coming downtrend, and then go do a pullback, then go up. But we're gonna simulate that we're taking that trade. EURJPY, nothing, 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 nothing. Okay, nothing there. Okay, triple arrows on the euro. Oh, that's a weird pair. Let's look at the daily. We're going on a downtrend, so I wouldn't trust this one. Okay, let's keep going. Nothing there. Nothing there. It's already on the move. Euro PLN. Let's see the trend on this one. It's downtrend. No good. Remember, we are following our rules, okay, for this strategy. Nothing there. It's kind of late already for that one. This one I kind of like because it's doing a pullback and it can shoot down. But let's look at the trend. It's an uptrend. No good. Nothing there. That one already developed. Let's see what was the trend on this one. The daily, it wasn't a downtrend, but it was very extended. As you can see, it's making a nice W right there, and it's going up. So maybe it's a change of trend in the daily. We'll see. USDCAD. USDCAD, we developed already to the top. Well, it's a daily. I'm looking for the 1 hour. Nothing there. Nothing there, and not much here. Okay, so I did how many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 times 2. That's 33 pairs. Okay, so and we got into, well, I got 3 trades on the plate right now. Now have very small lots because I know there's news tomorrow, so you want to be very, very careful. You either take your trades out if you're in positive, or you want to reduce your lot size to the minimum. Okay, family, thank you for tuning in. We're gonna check this trades. I gotta make a note of them, and we're testing the strategy, see how that works. And remember that I'm still doing also. It's more for scalping on the 15 minutes. The 4. It's exactly the same thing. We look for triple arrows on the 15 minutes, and then we go with the 4-hour trend. So it's exactly the same idea. We just lower time frames, a little faster moves, pretty much more trades, a little more risky though. The bigger the time frames, less risk. It's more accurate in the sense. And the smaller the time frames, there's more noise. It's a little more confusing, a little more risky, but it's doable in both ways. Thank you very much for tuning in. If anybody's interested in getting the system and getting into the Super Easy family, it's a great company, legit company, reputable company. It's been in the market for more than 2 years. You know, it's growing, it's big, and a lot of people are making money. So if we want to welcome you to the family, I have my own link underneath the video. If you want to buy and acquire the system for the month of July only, so you guys have like 2-3 days. if you buy through my link, which is below the video, I'm gonna return you $40 off of your price. Okay, so pretty much you're gonna pay the full price. Then you're gonna let me know, hey, Jay, I bought the system and I'm in the family now. You're gonna show me your PayPal receipt, and then I'm gonna return you within a few days. Once everything's confirmed, I return you $40 back. Only the month of July. Thank you very much. God bless. Keep working hard. Let's make some pips. Be careful this week, but we always gonna have a next week, right, to make more money. Have a good one. Bye bye.